Welcome to AI Directors. In this short walkthrough video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI Directors to create advertorial videos to promote any product or service out there and use AI Directors to start 3 different kinds of AI on-click businesses that bring in sales and profit to you day after day without being creative, without doing any extra work. Once you're on the dashboard, you want to create a character first, and then you want to create an ad campaign, which is an ad video. Now, to create a character, you click on characters and click on create new character. Now here you can upload your own picture and turn yourself into a character, just like the way I have done over here for myself. You simply upload a picture. If I click over here, you upload a picture, give yourself a name, your age, your voice, your gender, and the character is generated. Super easy. Now, the second way is you can generate a brand new AI character. So let's say we want to create a new character named Madison. So I'm going to type her name, Madison. Let's say she's 25. That's her essence. Her appearance could be, that's her appearance. We can pick clothing as well, which you can change anytime you want as well. And then we pick a voice. We can connect your own 11 labs if you want to do that. Or you can use your own custom voice. You can clone your voice to do that if you're doing that. Or you can use from tons of AI voices that we have in tons of different languages that we support. So let's go for English, and we're going to select female, and we're going to select this voice. You can preview the voice by clicking on the play icon here. Select the gender, we confirm the voice, and we generate the character. Now this would take a couple of seconds for AI Directors to build the character for you. And once the character is completed, you can preview it. If you want to change something, you can change it, modify it. And once you're good with it, just confirm, and the character is good to go to create AI videos. Now, as you can see, our character is ready. We can edit it. We can switch the face. So switch face means you can upload your picture, and what AI will do is going to replace this face with your face, but with this body. So tons of different things you can do. Now let's go ahead and create our ad campaign. So I'm going to click on ad campaign. I'm going to click on create new ad right over here. Now, let's say I want to create an ad promoting a sunscreen. So I'm going to product name would be sunscreen. I would want to describe a product. There you go. I'm going to add a product image. Next, we're going to select how many videos we want to create. We can add multiple images as well if you want. We can create multiple videos for the same. We want to create one video for the demonstration. We can select from different kind of video formats. Let's say we want to create an Instagram reel for this demonstration. Now you can select different countries as well and different languages. So when you select a different country, it essentially is going to formulate a script that works for the demographic of that country. Now you can also add a talking head on the video. So if you want to add a talking head, you can do that by uploading your own picture. You can use a transparent background if you want for the talking head, so it looks more realistic. You can again change the voice that you want to use. So you already have selected a voice for the characters, right? So we're going to select this character, which is Madison, that we just created. And then we have already selected a voice for Madison, but if we want to change the voice, we can change that as well. So here we're going to use Alice voice. Now we can schedule this video to be automatically published on different social media accounts that you have connected based on a date and time that you want, and you could select AI to find the best time to publish these videos, or you could just just create them and download them and publish it wherever you want, and you sell it to your clients. Now we're going to select the target audience. Our target audience is going to be adults, young adults, 25 to 40, and the demographic would be people looking for beauty products. And then we're going to click on continue to ad style. Now, here we can select from different kind of ad styles. So we can create a product showcase, we can do a lifestyle, we can do a testimonial, we can do a story driven. And then we can pick a tone. It could be funny, emotional, promotional, educational, inspirational, or we can write a custom one. For this one, we're going to do let's say do a promotional and do a product showcase. Click generate script. Now what AI Director is going to do is convert all this data that we have and learn everything about the product that we uploaded and convert that into a script that you can later modify or regenerate the script. So this is the script that it has generated. And of course, we can remodify and modify whatever we want. So for example, PA plus, we're going to say, so it's easy for it to read. We can add more to it. We can reduce more to it if you want. Whatever you want to do with the script, it's fully editable. Now, the next thing what's going to happen is going to start generating the slides. It's going to convert all that thing, the character, into a moving character, placing the product in the hand, voiceover, animation, everything is going to be put together in next to couple of minutes, and you'll be able to preview the video. Now, as you can see, the video is ready and awaiting customization. So we're going to click on these three dots and edit the video. Now here you can preview the video, you can add and customize background, images, videos, add more text to it, change the script and the voiceover that's added on the video. You can change the talking head. As you can see, the talking head is added over here. You can change the position to where you want the talking head to be. You can make it this or make it larger, whatever size you want, you can do that. You can change the background music, you can add animations, transitions between multiple slides. You can change transitions, of course. You can add credit and intro and outro slides. You can add captions if you want. You can turn on captions. You can pick from different themes of captions that we have. You can choose the audio limit. You can add a call to action, which could be your website URL, and would be added top center, bottom left, bottom right, wherever you want. It can be added just like this over here. We've added it in bottom right. And then of course you can customize adding a logo or watermark for your client. Once you're ready, you can click on preview, and it's going to preview the video clip for you. And just like this, you can see how the video looks, and you can hear the music. You can see the captions at the bottom. You can see the character applying this cream and promoting the cream. It looks like a really well done video with full effect on it. And once you're ready with the preview, you can simply click on render, and the video will start rendering. Now this takes about a couple of minutes as well to render together, but once the video is rendered, what you can do is click on schedule, and you can see all the videos that you've scheduled to be published on your social media. And then you can use traffic builder module to start generating traffic to these videos. So that's how AI Director works. It lets you create these incredible videos. Now what I'm going to do is once I end this demonstration video, I'm going to play a couple of samples for you to watch these samples. Now you can use AI Director in so many ways, especially in 3 incredible ways to build a fully AI automated cash producing, profit generating, sales generating, commission generating business by promoting affiliate products, by setting it up as an agency and selling these videos to other local and online brands and customers and clients and businesses. And you can also set up your own Faceless Instagram and YouTube channel and start generating revenue from ads, but also by building your own following and selling sponsorship deals on those accounts. So let's watch a couple of samples. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.
Are you ready to transform your skincare routine?
Hydrating SPF 50+ that absorbs fast, no white cast. Water-resistant protection, dewy glow that lasts. Get yours today.
Struggling to make videos? Watch this. One click changes everything.
Turn any product image into human-like videos, automatically.
Start your AI-powered video business today with AI Directors.
Okay, tornado hair, meet my OxAT 2000 watt lifesaver.
Foldable, travel-friendly, ionic power, fast-drying, frizz-tamed. Unleash your hair, OxAT dryer. Find it in bio.
Tired of tangled wires and mediocre sound?
Bluetooth 5.4, deep bass, ENC, 40 milliseconds low latency gain, 25-hour playback, IPX4 sweat safe. Get Moxie V20 today.